Hi, everybody. So today we're going to be talking about reflections. Reflections are a type of transformation where our preimage or the starting is flipped over a line of reflection to form the image or the after. So in this case, we can see that our preimage triangle ABC, our preimage here, has been reflected or flipped over to form this green triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. By just sort of reflecting over or flipping over this line L here. And it's the same thing. They're just mirror versions of each other. So just like when you're looking at yourself in the mirror, triangles here are mirrored and they're the same. Each point is the same distance from our line of reflection. So like B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 away from the line, and B prime is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 away from our line of reflection. And I'm going to show you now how we do this. So right here, I like to start with these points. I don't know why this is being so difficult today. I like to start with my points just on top of the original, the pre-image. So here it says plot the image of quadrilateral ABCD under reflection across the y-axis. So I'm going to look at my y-axis here. When I'm working on paper, I usually like to highlight my y-axis. I can't draw a straight line, so pretend that this line is straight. It's not, but we're going to pretend. And now I'm going to reflect across this line. So I'm going to start with my point A, and I'm just going to count the distance to my y-axis. So in this case, it's 1, 2, and then I'm going to repeat that on the other side of the y-axis. 1, 2. I'm going to just do that with each point. So here I've got point D. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I'm going to repeat that on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Point C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to repeat on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing for B. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And it looks the same, so I can do a quick visual check. And then if you're paying really close attention, what you might notice is that our y's aren't changing, but the x's are. So our x value here started at 4, now it's at negative 4. It was at 2, now it's at negative 2. It was at 3, negative 3. 5, negative 5. And that's another way to kind of like quickly check to see if you've performed your reflection correctly. This one is nice and fun because we've got our point A here. So point A is on the line. It's going to stay on our line of reflection since it's on the x-axis. C, we're coming down 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just going to come down 1, 2, 3, 4. And then B is at 5, is at negative 6 and 5. So it's going to be at negative 6 and negative 5. And there we have it. So with reflections, it's a rigid transformation, which means your preimage and your image are congruent. They're going to be identical. The orientation is just going to be mirrors of each other because that's what a reflection is, like a reflection in a mirror. I will see you next time. Bye.